You smoked it a little bit on me on that one.
Oh shit, I see it.
Oh man. It just means the coils are getting hot. Give a like to Brandon Brady. He smoked his subs on this demo, man. Woo. Am I getting in driver or passenger? Am I getting driver or passenger? Okay. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name is Brandon Breeden. We've got 415 Platinums on 4 base 8Ks, okay. 90 amp hour C-Max.
Nice.
425 Brand X alt. Okay.
What are the amps wired to?
1 up.
Okay. Wow. Looks like a really musical build, I bet.
It's musical.
You know your tuning on it?
We're peaking at 42. Gear down to 25.
Yes, sir. Got a solid brace. That looks good.
Yeah, last we went through a lot of windshields. So
oh man.
Finally got it to where it's not popping all the time.
How's your SPL score?
Let's see. We're doing 59.5 on 8K in the kick, and then unlimited class we're doing 62.5 in the kick.
Awesome. You happy with it?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's a daily driver.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah,
that's a good loud day. 160s daily driver, all right. Yeah, I'd love to hear that. Last question, do you know your cubic space per sub?
So I'm wanting to say I'm right about 3.5 cubes.
3.5, okay.
3.5.
Okay.
She got me. Your knees. To the floor, do your knees like Mechman. All this good. She got Megan. rules.
Man, that is efficient. Like 1 amp per sub, and man, you're putting some clean power, but the subs are like, oh, you smoked it a little bit on me on that one.
Oh shit, I see it.
Oh man, it just means the coils are getting hot.
Yeah, I gave him the sauce.
You gave him, man. I appreciate the hardcore demo, dude. I hope you didn't blow nothing. Thank you very much, man. What was your name?
Named Brandon Breed.
Brandon Breed, awesome. Give a like to Brandon Breed. He smoked his subs on this demo, man. Woo.
That should be okay. I didn't hear nothing crazy.
She got your knees. To the floor, do your knees like Megan. All this good. She got Megan. Rolls on. She got your knees. To the floor, do your knees like Megan. All this good. She got Megan.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.